Hi everyone. Today we will see the program to print addition of two matrices. So first of all, we have to add these two matrices mathematically. So for that we are taking two matrices A and B of dimension 2 cross 3. So the resultant matrix will be also 2 cross 3, and I am taking now only. So the result will be stored as 1 plus 1 equal to 2, and 2 plus 2 equal to 4, and 3 plus 3 equal to 6. And the second row, 3 plus 3 equal to 6, 2 plus 2 equal to 4, and 1 plus 1 equal to 2. And this is also of 2 cross 3 matrix. So now our real program starts. So as per the C rules, the header files will be hash include stdio.h and int main. The first flower bucket will be opened, and this is the data type we are using int, and this is the array variables for scanning and printing the array elements. So it is the dimension of 2 cross 3, and this is the first matrix, and this is the second matrix, and this C matrix is used for to store the these two sum of these two matrices, and we are using the variables I and j for these rows and the three columns. So this is I equal to 2 and j equal to 3. So then we are printing the first matrix, that is printf in double quotes enter the first matrix. So then as per the C rules, we are using two for loops for printing the matrix. So in the first for loop, we are using for I, that means for the row, and that is I equal to 0. Initial value of I is stored in I is 0, so 0 is less than 2, the condition is true, and the inner for loop is executed. The for loop for inner for loop is j equal to 0. J is used for columns, so it is less than 3. J equal to 0, 0 is less than 3, so this is also condition true. Next, the executable statement is executed, that is scanf %d as per the C rules ampersand a and I of j. I of j is that I equal to 0 is the value of I, and at initial value of j is 0, and this statement is also executed. Then after this statement is executed, the first element is included in the matrix, so that is a of 0 comma 0. This is the placeholder of 0 comma 0, and that is 1. So next the scanf is executed, so j plus plus, then the j value becomes 1, and 1 is less than 3. The scanf is executed, and a of 0 comma 1, and this is the placeholder for a of 0 comma 1, and this is the element 2 inserted in the matrix. At next j plus plus, j value becomes 2, 2 is less than 3, uh, condition is true, and the scanf is executed. Scanf %d ampersand a of 0 comma 2, and this is the placeholder of a of 0 comma 2, and 3 is the value of a of 0 comma 2, and j plus plus, j value becomes 3, 3 is less than 3, the condition becomes false, and the control will go for primary for loop. This is what this one, and now I plus plus I value is 0. This is executed, then I plus plus I value becomes 1, then 1 is less than 2, then again the inner for loop is executed. As I explained, these three values will be inserted in the matrix. As per I told, the same procedure is goes for to the second matrix also. We have read the two matrices, and next is printing the two matrices as in matrix form. So for printing also we are using two for loops for the same as the reading. So I is for rows, and j is for columns. So I less than 2 and j less than 3, 2 rows and 3 columns, the dimension will be 2 cross 3. And then printing the value of this first matrix, printf %d. In first we have taken scanf for reading, and in this printf for printing the first matrix, and percentage d a of I and j. This is the slash n for reading the values as matrix form, and the same procedure goes for the second matrix also. This is the printing of second matrix. So this is the printf for the third matrix, and the third matrix is we are using for two for loops as I told in the first. So one for the rows and j for his columns, and I am using logic in this only and printing also. And a of ij plus p of ij, as we stored in the first page, these values are summed in this c of ij, and um, it will print in the same for loop printf percentage d c of ij. This value, this matrix will be printed, and this print slash n, printf slash n is used for representing the matrix form, and return 0, this return 0 is used for um, program is executed in 0 with 0 errors, and the first one bracket closes.